everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Siri voice on TikTok. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To add Siri voice on TikTok, tap open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account as well. Once you're inside, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your phone's camera. Now, once you're inside the camera screen, tap on the red circle at the bottom in order to record a video, or you can also tap on upload at the bottom right and upload an existing video from your camera library. Once you end up in the video preview, tap on the AA icon or the text icon at the top right. Now, type in the text that you would like to use for the video. Once you are done, place the text right where you want in the video and give it a tap once. You'll be able to see a pop-up. Tap on text to speech.
Hi, what's up?
Soon after you do that, you'll be able to use Siri voice on TikTok video. Now you can simply go ahead and upload your video. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.